Hi friends, welcome to Agri Engineering Talks. Today we'll be discussing some of the important current affairs on coronavirus. Friends, whoever didn't subscribe to our channel, please do subscribe for getting latest information about our new videos. Next, coming to the topic. Coming to the first question. The word corona is derived from, that is Latin language. The corona got its name from their crown-like shape. In Latin, corona is known as crown because of its shape. Got the name as a corona. In Latin, that crown is known as a corona. Viruses are named by, these viruses are named by ICTV, that is International Committee on Taxonomy of Virus. This is the official authority to name the viruses. This ICTV announced severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, that is SARS COVID-2 as the official name of new virus on 11 Feb 2020. Next question. SARS novel coronavirus belongs to which of the following family? Spirochetes, DNA virus, RNA virus, mycocytes. It belongs to RNA virus. This RNA virus is a large virus to which this coronavirus belongs. Next question. The primary symptoms of coronavirus, that is fever, cough, difficulty in breathing, all the above. Answer is all the above because the corona affected person will have the primary symptoms as fever, cough and difficulty in breathing. Next question. When was the first COVID case reported in India? Options are December 30, 2019, Jan 30, 2020, Feb 10th, 2020, Jan 15, 2020. Answer is Jan 30, 2020. The first case reported in Kerala, Thrissur district. One of the student came from Wuhan city. Next question. Which state of India reported its first death due to COVID-19? Options are Rajasthan, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Uttarakhand. The option is Karnataka. A person with traveling history of Saudi Arabia died due to COVID-19 infection. Next question. Coronavirus is related to which disease? SARS, MERS, and both A and B? None. It related to both SARS and MERS. SARS is severe acute respiratory syndrome, while MERS is Middle East respiratory syndrome. This COVID-19 is also known as SARS-2, SARS COVID-2. Next, coming to Abbott Laboratories, who launched a 5 minutes testing kit for COVID-19, belongs to which country? It belongs to USA. This Abbott Laboratories belongs to USA. Next question. How many days of lockdown announced by Prime Minister of India on the first phase starting from March 2020? This March 24th, 2020, that is 21 days. First lockdown is from 24th March to 13th April, and second is from 14th April to 3rd May, and next is from 4th May to 17th May, and fourth lockdown is from 18th May to 31st May. After this, unlock process has been started. This from in first lockdown, that is from 24th March 2020 to 13th April 2020, it is of 21 days period. Next question. When India has crossed more than 1 lakh COVID-19 confirmed cases? It is 19th May 2020. India has crossed 1 lakh COVID-19 confirmed cases. It crossed 2 lakhs on 3rd June and 10 lakhs on 17th July. On 17th it crossed 10 lakh cases, and on 3rd June it crossed 2 lakhs cases. Next question. Which of the following test is used for diagnosing COVID-19? The option is real-time RT-PCR. This real-time means during the process of testing only we'll be getting the result. Earlier we got at the end of RT-PCR, but now during the process only we are getting the results. Next question. Which state government has launched Pragyam app to issue e-passes? The answer is Jharkhand. Coming to Jharkhand, we have to remember the CM. CM of Jharkhand is Hemant Sironi, whereas the governor of Jharkhand is Draupadi Murmu. Next, coming to Chhattisgarh, we have to remember Boram Devi Temple. Coming to Bihar, we have to remember the Tattile Rehabilitation Center. And next, UP, that is Ayush Kavach, launched by UP CM, and also Team 11 initiative. Next question. Which of the following country announced the discovery of first COVID-19 vaccine? That is Russia. Russia has launched the first COVID-19 vaccine. Who has been chosen for an awareness champion run by WHO against COVID-19? The options are Sunil Chetri, Virat Kohli, Sania Mirza, Amitabh Bachchan. The option is Sunil Chetri. He is an Indian footballer who has been chosen for an awareness champion run by WHO against COVID-19. Next question. Which of the following antibodies develops first against during COVID-19, which helps to identify recent exposure? That is IgM. This IgM antibodies develops immediately after the exposure with COVID-19. It takes 3 to 4 days to develop, then 7 to 14 days for IgG start to develop. Next question. A person who is more likely to infect a large number of people compared with the typical infected person is known as. Options are COVID-19 carrier, convalescent carrier, super spreader. Option D, none. The option is super spreader. This is represented by R naught value, R naught 2.5. This is R naught value. It is a basic normal value of COVID transmission rate. COVID-19 person can transmit around 2 to 3 people during the infectivity period. RO value is the average of 2 to 3, that is 2.5. You can transmit around 2 to 3 people during the infectivity period. Question. In which city Reliance opened hospital dedicated to COVID-19? That is Mumbai. In Mumbai, Reliance company opened a hospital which is dedicated to COVID-19. Next question. Up to how many years does the Tokyo Olympics has been cancelled due to COVID-19? The answer is 1 year. And again it is rescheduled in July, August 2021. These are the Summer Olympics, and after this the Olympics is in 2024. It is in Paris, and in 2028 it is in Los Angeles. These are the Summer Olympics, whereas Winter Olympics is in 2022, that is in Beijing, and in 2026 it is in Italy. On 23rd June 1894, International Olympics Committee was established. These Olympic Games are regulated by IOC. IOC is nothing but International Olympic Committee. Its headquarters is in Lausanne, Switzerland, and president is Thomas Bach. Next question. How much relief package has been announced by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman for migrant labor and poor people? That is 1.7 lakh crore. Next question. Who declared whole world has entered into economic recession because of COVID-19? Options are WHO, UNICEF, IMF and ADB. That option is IMF. IMF is nothing but International Monetary Fund. It is established on 27th December 1945. Its headquarters is in Washington DC, USA, and its president is Kristalina Georgin. Next question: by whom Operation Namaste was started in order to tackle with COVID-19? Options are Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, Indian Army, all the above. The answer is Indian Army. Indian Army has started the Operation Namaste in order to tackle with COVID-19. The motto of the Indian Army is Service Before Self, and its headquarters is located in New Delhi. Its Army Chief General is Manoj Mukund Nasani. Indian Army Day is celebrated on 15th January. Next question: who declared COVID-19 a pandemic? Options are WHO, UNICEF, ICTV, and CDC. The correct answer is WHO. WHO is nothing but World Health Organization. It was established on 7th April 1948, and its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland, and its president is Tedros Adhanom. Next question: according to UNCIAD report, what is the Indian economy rank among the countries affected by coronavirus? Options are 5, 10, 15, 20. Correct answer is 10. This UNCID is full form is United Nations Conference Trade and Development. It is established on 30 December 1964. Its headquarters located in Geneva, Switzerland. Next question: coronavirus has originated from Wuhan. This city is located in which province of China? Options are Beijing, Shenzhen, Hubei, Tokyo. The option is Hubei, from where this coronavirus has been originated. Next question: which medicine export was restricted due to COVID-19? Options are hydroxychloroquine, Moxicod, cetirizine, and Disprin. The correct answer is hydroxychloroquine. Next question: who announced the use of unerasable ink for the identification of quarantine people? Options are DRDO, WHO, Electronic Commission, and state governments. The correct answer is Electronic Commission. This Electronic Commission has announced the usage of unerasable ink for the identification of quarantine people. Next question: who started ISAC scheme because of COVID-19 lockdown? That is IIT Gandhinagar. It has started the ISAC scheme because of COVID-19 lockdown. Next question: how much percentage repo rate has been cut by RBI? Options are 1.1, 2.2, 3.3, 4.4. The correct answer is 4.4%. Repo rate has been cut by the RBI. Next question: in which city robots are used for treating COVID-19 patients? Options are Chennai, Jaipur, Delhi, Hyderabad. The answer is Jaipur, where the robots are being used for treating COVID-19 patients in the hospitals. Jaipur is also known as the Pink City, and it is the capital of Rajasthan. Next question: CRESEC has estimated India's GDP growth rate for the financial year 2021 as. Options are 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, 5.5. The correct answer is 3.5%. GDP is nothing but gross domestic product. Next question: which is the first state to launch self-assessment tool in order to treat COVID-19 patients? Options are Goa, Delhi, Maharashtra, Odisha. The option is Goa. Goa is the first state to launch self-assessment tool in order to treat COVID-19 patients. Next question: who came forward with WHO in order to spread awareness among people regarding COVID-19? Options are Priyanka Chopra, Saina Nehwal, Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni. The correct answer is Priyanka Chopra. Next question. Who started the initiative Stay Home India with Books? Options are NBT, NCRT, SCRT, DRDO. The correct answer is NBT, that is National Book Trust. Its headquarters is located in New Delhi and president of NBT is Govind Prasad Sharma. Next question. Which state ministers has decided to donate 1 month salary to CM Relief Fund? Options are Telangana, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala. The answer is Gujarat. Gujarat ministers has decided to donate 1 month of their salaries to CM Relief Fund. Next question. Which bank has started COVID-19 emergency credit line for its customers? Options are RBI, SBI, PNB, DCCB. The correct answer is SBI. That is State Bank of India has started COVID-19 emergency credit line for its customers. Next question is which company has launched relief package of $10 million for film and television workers during corona pandemic? Options are Google, Hotstar, Netflix, Microsoft. The correct answer is Netflix. Netflix has announced relief package of $10 million for film and television workers during corona pandemic. Next question. Which app is launched by Punjab government in order to spread awareness regarding COVID-19? Options are Shan-e-Punjab, Corona Tracker, Kova Punjab, none. The correct answer is Kova Punjab. Next question. Princess Marina Teresa died due to COVID-19 belongs to. Options are Spain, France, Japan, USA. Correct answer is Spain. Next question. How many months has been granted by RBI on debts EMI? That is 3 months. 3 months has been granted by RBI on debts EMI. RBI is nothing but Reserve Bank of India. Its headquarters is in Mumbai and governor of RBI is Shaktikant Das. Next question. Which app is launched by Indian government in order to track location of COVID-19 infected people? Options are Corona Track, Corona Location, Corona Kavach and Corona Stop. The correct answer is Corona Kavach. Next question. Which state CM launched self-declaration of COVID-19 app? Options are Andhra Pradesh, Nagaland, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is Nagaland. Nagaland CM has launched self-declaration COVID-19 app. Next question. In order to spread awareness among users, Instagram has introduced which new feature regarding COVID-19? The options are Instagram feed, Instagram news, Instagram COVID, Instagram corona. The correct answer is Instagram feed. Instagram has launched Instagram feed in order to spread awareness among Instagram users, whereas WhatsApp has introduced WhatsApp chat bot, and whereas Facebook coronavirus information center. Chatbot for WhatsApp and for Facebook it is coronavirus information center. Next question. Which state first imposed lockdown due to coronavirus? Options are Telangana, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is Rajasthan. Rajasthan government has first imposed lockdown due to coronavirus. Next question. Name the website launched by Google in order to spread awareness regarding COVID-19. The options are google.com/COVID-19, google.com/COVID-virus, google.com/corona, none. The correct answer is google.com/COVID-19. Next question. Which country is affected by hantavirus? The options are Japan, China, Russia, America. The correct answer is China. China is affected by hantavirus. Next question. The official name of virus causing COVID-19. The options are novel coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2, coronavirus, COVID-19. The correct answer is COVID-19. Its full form is Coronavirus Disease 2019 and it is given by WHO. Next question. Which country's PM is infected with coronavirus? Options are America, Britain, Russia, Korea. The correct answer is Britain. Britain PM is infected with coronavirus. Next. These are some of the information, that is the words which will be asked in the competitive exam. First, coming to endemic. Endemic is nothing but a disease which is restricted to a small local region. If it spread from the small region to, uh, for example, it is a city. If it spread from a city to a district, then it is called a outbreak. From district, if it's spread to a state or a country, it is known as epidemic. And from a state or a country to other countries, that is worldwide, it is known as pandemic. When coronavirus was limited to Wuhan, it is an endemic. It became outbreak uh, when it spread the total Wuhan city, and it became a epidemic when it spread across China, and now it became a pandemic as it spread over worldwide. More than 180 plus countries got infected with this. Some of the worst epidemic in the recent history. Among this H1N1 PDMOG, it is known as swine flu. This COVID-19 is known as SARS-CoV-2. With this swine flu, more than 1 billion people got infected. More than 2 lakhs people lost their lives.